Hello children, you all are welcome to the Zonal English channel. Hope you are doing well. And today we are going to start with reading questions in paper 1. So already we have finished question number 7 reading lessons, reading comprehension. And today we are going to complete the other 2 reading questions in paper 1. Here our competency level is 5.1 and 5.2. 5.1 selects important part of a simple text and 5.2 extracts specific information from a text. So, testing technique, reading. This is a model question. And here we have to match the questions with their relevant answers. Write the number of the question in the blank. Here children, blanks are given, answers are given, and there are questions. So we have to match the questions with the answers. Let's see how we are going to do that. Now, here first question, the question word is where. So question word where, it is related to a place. And second question word is whom, related to a person. And third question word is how long. It is related to a time period. And what question word, it gives information. And question word why, it gives us the reason. So now you can read the question and after that you can relate the answers for that. Now example number 1, question number 1, where did you keep your pen? Now a place is required. So now you can quickly go through the answers, and place is here in my bag. Question word is where. Where did you keep your pen? In my bag. Here children, we have to write the number of the question in the blank. So question number 1, so you can have it here. Yes, in my bag, here number 1. Like that, we can continue with the other questions. So next one, question number 2 is whom do you want to speak? Now we require a person. Now we have 3 years, red rose, it's raining, to Mr. Silva. So question number 2 goes with to Mr. Silva. So you can write question number 2 here. Then third question, how long has she been there? So time period. So here we can select for 3 years. So number 3 goes with for 3 years. Then what has she brought to me? Now a thing is asked, what? Yes, 2 answers are here. A red rose, it's raining. So what has she brought to me? So a red rose. Number 4, we can write number 4 here. And last question, why can't you go out? We need a reason. We can't go out because it's raining. Number 5 goes with it's raining. Yes. Now when you get a question like this, you have to read the instructions given. Here we have to write the number of the question. So be careful. and do as required. Okay, let's see answers. Again, where did you keep your pen? In my bag. Number 1. Whom do you want to speak? To Mr. Silva. Number 2. How long has she been there? Number 3. For 3 years. What has she brought to me? A red rose. Question number 4. Number 4 is here. And last question, why can't you go out? Number 5, the reason, it's raining. When you get a question like this, be careful. Okay, next we will move on to 2011 O-Level Test 2. Here again we have to complete the dialogue using the given groups of words. Now these are the given groups of words and letters are there. Instruction says write the correct letter in the blank. And here the first one is done for you. Yeah, letter is being written. You have to read it. Here we have to complete the dialogue. Completing technique is we have to complete the dialogue. Filling in the blank or completion, the technique is that. Now when you get a question like this, now read the question and look at the keywords in the question and then read the responses and relate the same words, keywords with the answers. Here we will read the answers first. A, it's always good to be early, isn't it? Here you are. Can you please listen to my poem? My teacher gave it to me in our school computer room. And last one, nice to see you, F. Here we have, good morning. Nice to see you at the competitions this year too. Now keyword, key phrase or keywords, we can say nice to see you. Now in response F we have nice to see you too. So although you are given the answer, now this is how we are going to match the questions with the answers. Here Yaso says we are bit early, aren't we? Bit early. The keyword early. Now let's see early. Yeah, in response A, we have it's always good to be early, isn't it? Now early, bit early. And response is always good to be early. So we can have A for the answer 2. Then we will move on to next one. Yes, we'll have to wait till 10 o'clock. Till then, yes, oh. Yeah. What do you select here? Till then, yes, oh. Yeah. Ask a question. Now, question mark is here. Put it there. Now, we have only this one. Can, the question word. So, definitely, it should be C. Can you please listen to my poem? Now, you can have the answers looking at the question mark here. Punctuation marks. Be careful. Give it to me. Let me read it first. Then number 4. Now already we have F. Then we have put C. Then number 4. He is asking something. Let me read it first. Then Amal says, here you are. That is B. Then Yaso says, it's a beautiful poem. Yes, it is. Again we have, yes, then who? Then we have to say, yes, it is. Now information is given. My teacher gave it to me. D. So answer should be D. It is neatly typed. Who typed it? I did it. Yes. Where? I did it. Now you can write in our school computer room E. Now Pute. So early here we have a hint. So you can select the question 2, answer 2, that is A. Then number 3, we have to give an answer. Till then, Yaso, question mark is there. So question should go to number 3, that is number letter C. Give it to me. Let me read it first. Yes. Yaso is asking something. Then Amal says, here you are. Then it's a beautiful poem. Yes, it is. Number 5, we have 2 answers. In our school computer room and my teacher gave it to me. So Pute, it's easy to find out the answer D. Then last one, I did it where in our school computer room. Okay, let's check the answers. Okay. So this is 2011 O-Level Test 2. These are very easy questions. You have to write the correct letter and please don't try to write the full answer here, only the letter. Yeah, then we will move on to number 3. Again, O-Level 2015. Yes. Test 5. Match A with B to make complete utterances. Here, we have to complete this. We have to complete the utterances. Utterances are given. Complete utterances and write the correct letter in the space provided. So we are not going to complete this by writing all these. We have to write only the letter. Okay. Then I used to write articles to the newspapers. So there we have to read answers in B part in order to take part in the tournament. Then B, so I am studying very hard to achieve my aim. C, but now there is hardly any time to do so. D, and still remain very close to one another. And E, and exchange the extras with friends. F, but when we reached there, we found that we had to pay. Okay, children. Now we have to see the connection here. I used to write articles to the newspapers. Now here we have the verb use. The sentence is in the past tense. I used. But yes, here we have to say, but now there is hardly any time to do so. But the person I have no time to continue the thing. That's why, but now there is hardly any time to do so. So letter C must be here. Yes. Here we meet in the afternoon to practice carom. To practice carom. Now this is an indoor game. So why? We should meet in the afternoon. For what? Now we have in order to take part in the tournament. So I am studying very hard. So it doesn't go with this. And still remain very close to one another. Yes. And exchange the extras with friends. But when we reached, yeah, then Pute, so we can say carom Now, in order to take part in the tournament, that is A. Then very quickly we will move on to number 3. We have been friends since we were small. So, since we were small. Yes, now we have 3 answers: B, D, E, and another answer 4. Okay. So then what is the connection here? We have been friends since we were small. Yeah. Then we have and still remain very close to one another. Now when you get a question like this, very quickly read all the responses. Then it will easy to put the connection with the questions and answers. Connect questions and answers easy. Then D goes with number 3. Then we have number 4. I've been collecting a lot of stamps over the years. Then we have collecting stamps. This is somewhat difficult. So here E we have, F we have, and we have B. So I am studying very hard. It doesn't go with collecting stamps and exchanging the extras with friends. And but when we read there, we found that we had to pay. So we can select E with number 4. Then we have advertisement regarding the swimming pool said it's free. Advertisement says it's free, but when we reached there, we found that we had to pay. Now free, pay. Now this is the relation here. So likewise, you can select the correct answer. And number 6, I want to be a doctor one day. Yeah, last one. So I am studying very hard to achieve my aim. That is B. Okay, let's see the answers. This is how we have selected the answers. I used to write articles, but now there is hardly any time. C. We meet in the afternoon to practice carom. Why? In order to take part in the tournament. A. Then we have been friends since we were small. Then D, and still remain very close to one another. Still we have the friendship. That is what it says. Then number 4, I've been collecting a lot of stamps over the years. Yeah, we are exchanging the extras. That is E. An advertisement regarding the swimming pool said it's free, but we have to pay. So connection. I want to be a doctor one day. So what I do? So I am studying very hard. So when you get a question like this, please see whether there is a connection with the question and the answer. That means you have to complete the sentence. First part of the sentence, definitely it has a connection with the other half. So see whether you can identify the connection. That is how you are going to complete the utterances. Then we will move to the next one. This is year-end test, Northwestern Province 2012. And you have to read the following program and answer the questions given below. Now, when you get a question like this, always my advice is to read the questions very quickly. Then you can get the answer. We will go to number 1. What is the event? You have to answer about the event. Then second question, who is the guest speaker? Who? A person is required. Number 3, how long will the discussion on environmental pollution last? A time period is there, how long? Number 4, what will they do at 2:30 p.m.? We need what they are doing at 2:30. Then again, we have the question word what here. What is the name of the film? Very easy. Now, you can write answers for the easy questions first. Now, already you can select what is the name of the film. Yes, now we have the word film here, a film on environment, unspoiled beauty, the name is there. It is at 4:30 p.m. So very quickly you can write the name of the film. But when you get a question like this, very quickly write the answer the easy questions. So name of the film word is there. So you can answer the question 5 at first. Then what is the event? Now event, what is the event? Environmental Day. So you can write the answer here. Event is the Environmental Day. Then question number 2. Who is the guest speaker? A person, guest speaker. Who is that? Yes, we have a lecture by the guest speaker. We have the word, phrase, noun phrase, guest speaker. Now the name is there. Now very easily you can write the answer. Guest speaker. So Professor Nihal Semsingh is the guest speaker. Now third question. How long will the discussion on environmental pollution last? Time period. Now it starts at, yes, 11 p.m. and 12 noon you have the lunch break. So the time period, environmental pollution, yes, from 11 to 12, 1 hour. So they are, how long you have to be specified. 11, environmental pollution, you can mark this environmental pollution, and it finishes at 12 because lunch break starts at 12. So from 11 to 12 we have 1 hour period. So definitely your answer should be 1 hour. What will they do at 2:30 p.m.? 2:30. Now 10:45, 11, 12, 1 to 4, 4, 4. So definitely this should be within this time slot from 1 to 4. 2:30 is here in between. So what do you have? A Shramadana campaign. So what do they have? What will they do at 2:30 p.m.? A Shramadana. So number 5, already we have written the answer. Now when you get a question like this, read the questions first. Then go to the paragraph or notice or not, whatever it is. Maybe an agenda, invitation like that. So then you can very easily find the answers. Now we will move on to the answers. Yeah, what is the event? Who is the guest speaker? How long will the discussion on environmental pollution last? What will they do at 2:30 p.m.? And the name of the film. Okay, I think you have a clear idea about this. Then again, we have a model question. Here is the content page. Now we have a content page of a popular encyclopedia of science. And which chapter would you turn to if you wanted information on the following topics? Here we have chapter and the page. And don't misunderstand here. Here you have to write down the number of the chapter, not the page number. So chapters 1, 2, 3, 4 like that we have. So there are 10 chapters, but here we have 6. One is done for you. And first one is the potter's wheel. Now we can't find any information from here. They are around us, our planet Earth, fuel from the earth, atoms, electricity, simple machines, magnets, hot and cold, inventions of modern science, and life in the 21st century. So, Pute, the potter's wheel. So, what is it? It is a simple machine. So, you can go to the chapter 6 here. Then B, how icebergs are formed. Icebergs. So here we can have, yes, icebergs. Yeah. We can have the chapter 8, hot and cold. Hot and cold. Then we have growing rice on the moon. Growing rice on the moon. What is that? Yes, now we can't grow rice on the moon, but maybe life in the 21st century. So here you can select number 10, chapter 10. Then we have how oil was made. Oil. Air, planet Earth, fuel, atoms, like that. So we can select the third chapter, fuel from the earth. And then we have rocks, sand and water. Now already we have selected this rock, sand and water. Yes, yeah. Our planet Earth. So this is chapter 2 and already it is given. Okay. So when you get a question like this once again, you have to read the answers and then go to the information chart. Okay. Let's see the answers. Okay. The potter's wheel, simple machines, how icebergs are formed, hot and cold, cold icebergs are cold, growing rice. We are not doing it now in this century. Now life in the 21st century. How oil was made. This is with relation with the fuel. Then rocks, sand and water. It is related to our planet Earth. Then electrons, how electrons move. It goes with magnets. Chapter 7. Okay, next move on to this one. There is a dialogue. Okay. And some questions. Yeah, you have to read the dialogue and write the answers. Again, follow the same thing. Don't read the dialogue first. Read the questions. What are they? Incident, place, what the victim was doing, the vehicle, how the driver made effort to prevent a clash. Number 6, the victim after being knocked. So we have to read the question. Now incident already it is given. Place. Now place is required. Now very quickly you can move on to this. And yes, did you see this accident? Yes, I saw it. Where were you by the time it occurred? I was at the bus halt at Bauddha Lokamavata. So you can write the place name here. Yes, it is mentioned Bauddha Lokamavata. What the victim was doing, what was he doing? Yes, now we have past continuous was doing. He was crossing the road. What was the man who was killed doing? Yes. What was the man doing? What was the man doing? Now the man was killed. What was the man doing? Yes, definitely. He was crossing the road. Vehicle. Now you can go to the vehicle part. Did you see the vehicle? Yes, it was a van. I think loaded with some bags of paddy. Yeah. Then vehicle. So you can write a van loaded with some bags of paddy. Then victim after being knocked. Now what happened? Was the man knocked down? Yes. Mr. Herat says yes. I ran to the spot immediately. He was lying on the ground. His head was bleeding. He was unconscious. Now the victim after being knocked. Yes. Lying on the ground after knocked. Head was bleeding and unconscious. So you can write these. Lying on the road, was bleeding and unconscious. So let's see the answers. Yes, a road accident, place Bauddhaloka Mawata, crossing the road, man was crossing the road, vehicle, a van. Sometimes this is also enough, a van loaded with bags of, it should be paddy. And prevent, how the driver made, effort to prevent a clash. Yeah, he was doing something. That means the driver tooting the horn and applying brakes. I heard. So the driver wanted to prevent that. Yes. Then what did he do? He was tooting the horn and he was applying brakes. Then the victim, after being knocked, he was lying on the ground, head bleeding and unconscious. Okay. I think now question number 7. Yeah. Again, we have gap fill in here. Match them with the relevant titles. Write the correct letter. Letters are here, Pute. So you have to match the letters. Okay. So now when you get a question, very quickly find out easy one. Trademark, item, price, number of pieces, directions, caution, first aid, distributors, date of manufacture and date of expiry. Now price, it is, I think it is the easiest one, price. Now you can very quickly go through it, and this is 65 rupees. So this is F, you can write the answer F here. So you can select the easy one. Item, what is the item here? Yes, item. Yes. What is the item here? Yes. Yeah. We have here, what is the item? Mosquito coils. That is J. And trademark. Now, if you feel that it is difficult for you, you can fill the other things. Now, item is there, price is there, and number of pieces. Number is required. So it is easy rather than number 1. Item, price, then number of pieces. How many? See, 10 coils. 10 coils. Then you have, then you can go to the trademark. What is the trademark? Here. Yeah, this is Mortein. Mortein is the trademark. Mosquito coils. Now it is very easy to understand. Mortein is the trademark. Item is the mosquito coil. Okay. Then directions. Now, what are the directions given here? Yes, we will see directions. Yes, okay. Here we have separate the 2 coils carefully. That is the given direction. Yeah, that is G. Caution. What do you do? Yeah, this is store away from children. So you have to keep it away from children. That is I. First aid. First aid, what happens? Yeah. Now we have, yes, if so Lord, induce vomiting. That is the first aid. A. Distributors. Who are the distributors? They are Reckitt and Colman, Sri Lanka. Date of manufacture. So two dates are there. So it should be 2008 because 2009 that is H, it is the date of expiry, and manufacture 2008, it should be D. Okay, now very quickly this is your answer sheet. Okay Pute, now I think you have got an idea about this. Now when you get a question like this, reading questions, if it is matching, you have to match. If it is fill in blanks, fill the blanks like that. Do it. Now this is different from doing a reading comprehension. And I think you have got a clear idea. And we will end the today's meeting. And stay safe. May God bless you all. Thank you all, Pute.